We're here at IGEL Disrupt in San Jose, and I'm speaking with Jed Ayres of IGEL. Can you tell us a little bit about the conference and what's going on here?
Yeah, well, this is actually our second year of doing Disrupt, and so we're very excited to bring it to Silicon Valley. Last year we did it in Austin, and a couple weeks ago we did it in Munich. And it's really just an affirmation of kind of the leadership position that IGEL has in end-user computing, the disruption that we're causing in this space with our software-defined solution. And it's really also about the ecosystem that sits around IGEL. So all the partners that we work with to deliver a kind of really great user experience and out-of-the-box experience. And then our partner communities here, and obviously a lot of thought leaders around end-user compute. So bloggers and vloggers and just people that are highly active and have opinions about what's going on in this space and the future of where it's going. So it's actually a very exciting kind of point in time for us at the beginning of every year to really make some big announcements, but also just kind of talk about where the industry's going.
Now, you guys were just in Munich last week, right?
Yes.
And so how did that show go? It
was amazing. We had over 500 people. And it was in a slightly more central location than we did it last year. We did it in Bremen, which is our headquarters, but Munich is right near where our actual development team is. We have 100 developers just to the west of Munich and Augsburg. So kind of neat to do it in that in our second hometown, if you will.
Right.
And yeah, it was really well attended, and we made some very big announcements around our new operating system. And yes, generally I think very well received show. It's small enough to where people can really interact with each other, they can interact with the partners, and we get a lot of positive feedback. So we're going to actually go back to that same hotel next year in Munich and do it in 2020 there.
Yeah. Well, for the people coming to this show, what's some of the cool things that are going on during this week?
Well, no shortage of cool things. We have close to 30 sponsors here, so a lot of really neat technology on display here. We're obviously making some great announcements around kind of how we're reimagining our operating system, making it easier to consume with more agile licensing, adding some nice support features and some subscription management solutions. So some big announcements there. We're also announcing some joint partnering that we're doing with NVIDIA, with Amazon, with Login VSI. We're announcing some new employees that are running support for us globally. We have a new VP of support and a new VP of OEMs. You're starting to see us do some more licensing of our solution on other people's hardware. So LG is here. We have a great partnership with them where they're putting our operating system on their all-in-one thin client. So yeah, it's no shortage of great activity. I think everybody asks, is this the year of VDI? But this seems to be kind of an inflection point in I don't know if it's the year of VDI, but we're definitely seeing some nice growth.
Yeah, we've had a lot of great conversations with some of your partners that are here, and we have a few more that we'll be doing throughout the week.
Yeah, we're thankful that you're here, by the way, covering this. So
thanks for having us.
You and Dave. This is your second year back here, so thank you for attending the event and giving us good coverage.
So I understand you guys you have an exciting new giveaway, maybe trying to top your the Tesla giveaway that you did previously.
Well, yeah, we did have some fun giving away the Teslas. We actually gave 2 of them away. But as you can imagine, being a German company with a lot of people who love German engineering, that was actually a bit of a tough sell to give away an American, California-built,
right, software-defined
car. But we actually we're going to have some fun this year, and we created this theme around the Challenge Everything. So ichallengeeverything.com. If you go to that site, you'll see that we are giving away a Porsche Taycan, which is probably the most anticipated sort of sports car that will be fully electric of 2019. And so it's due at the end of this year. We're going to give it away at the end of the year. We're also going to give away $20,000 to kind of the best IGEL customer story in terms of how IGEL is being used at the end of the year. So we're excited about it. Obviously, all the people in Germany are very proud and excited about this new, the sort of soul of Porsche and this electric vehicle. So yeah, if you go to ichallengeeverything.com and use VMblog as the code, you can enter in to win that.
Awesome. Well, thanks again for taking the time to speak with VMblog, and we look forward to speaking throughout the year at various events that we see you guys at.
Yeah, absolutely. We appreciate the coverage and the sort of due diligence you guys give to inspecting kind of the innovation that's coming out of this space. It's actually a really exciting time to be an end user compute, and we're happy to be a facilitator of the community.